Now our topic is types of common internet connectivity. Types of common internet connectivity. While technology changes at rapid speed, so do internet connections. There are different types of internet connectivity available today. It can be widely categorized into wired and wireless access. Following table is the summary of different types of internet connectivity categorized into wired and wireless technology. Dial up, it is a wired technology. DSL, it is wired. Cable internet access, many of us have cable facility for viewing television in our homes. This is wired technology. 3G, 4G, and now 5G. This is the wireless technology. WiMAX is also wireless. Wi-Fi is also wireless technology. So now we will discuss a few of these one by one. Dial-up. Dial-up connection uses telephone line, public switched telephone network, and modem to connect PC to the internet. You can see in this picture that this is the modem, this is the PC, and this is the telephone lines which is being used to connect to the internet. Dial-up internet access is one of the slowest methods of accessing the internet. Here is the same line for internet and telephone. So at a time, only one task can take place. That is, either you can run internet or talk on telephone. That is, you cannot do both the tasks of talking on telephone and making use of internet facility. You have to choose either one of these, either use internet facility or telephone facility while using dial-up connection. Next is DSL. It stands for digital subscriber line. It is high speed internet service for homes and small businesses. It has a DSL modem which filters the voice and data. User can use both telephone line and internet at the same time. It means that you can talk with the other person and also you can use the internet facility at the same time when you are having the DSL type of internet connectivity. This type of internet facility is much faster than the ancient dial-up connection, but it is not as fast as a cable connection. Now, cable internet access, it is a form of broadband internet access that uses cable television infrastructure. Cable provides an internet connection through a cable modem. It uses coaxial cable which is capable of transferring data at much higher speed than common telephone line. Now we talk about 3G, 4G, 5G. Now mostly 4G technology is at present used in India. 5G has been rolled out only recently in India. In the developed countries like America, 5G is already there, and now there are also the talks of 6G. Cellular technology provides wireless internet access through cell phones. What is the meaning of G, which has been used in 3G, 4G, and 5G? G stands for generation of mobile technology installed in phones and on cellular networks. That is the which generation of mobile technology has been used in the phones and cellular networks. Each G, it means that if we have moved from 3G to 4G or from 4G to 5G, or next when we will move from 5G to 6G, each transformation from to the next level of G requires you to get a new phone, because it mostly happens that if you are having a mobile set, the same set, if it we are using 4G, if the next technology comes 5G, it is quite possible that we may not be able to use the 5G facility on our 4G mobile phone. So whenever next G level of generation of mobile technology comes, we have to change our phone. And there is also expensive upgradation for the network. That is, the mobile companies have also to invest billions of dollars to make upgradation in their infrastructure facilities. In this network, radio waves are used for transfer signal to and from mobile phone. 5G is an improvement over 4G technology. WiMAX. WiMAX means worldwide interoperability for microwave access. WiMAX is a wireless communication alternate for DSL or cable internet access. WiMAX provides portable mobile broadband connectivity across cities and countries through various devices. Customers who want to use the internet at home and in the office but want to subscribe only one connection. Suppose we are having here our house, our office is located quite far. This is our office, this is our home. Mostly we have to have two separate connections, one for home and the other for office. But if we want that we want to avail the internet facility but want to have only one internet connection, then we will have to opt for WiMAX facility. It has the ability to provide internet service in those remote areas that are difficult for wide infrastructure to reach. WiMAX operates similar to Wi-Fi but at higher speed, covers greater distances and for a greater number of users. Now comes Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a wireless network technology that uses radio frequency to transfer data. It allows high-speed internet connections without the use of cables and wires. It means that in the case of Wi-Fi, we do not have to use cables or wires. It is wireless technology. Wi-Fi technology may be used to provide internet access to devices such as PCs, smartphones that are within the range of wireless network that is connected to the internet. Wi-Fi connectivity is used in homes, offices, hotels for internet access. Shopping malls, coffee shops, resorts mostly offer free or paid Wi-Fi access to the internet for their customers. A Wi-Fi signal reaches a limited range, which may not cover your entire home or office. Large metal objects such as the refrigerator can block a Wi-Fi signal in your home. A microwave oven can also disrupt the signal of Wi-Fi. Now we discuss about satellite internet access. First, we will try to understand this concept with the help of the picture which is before us. This is the user who is sitting here. He makes the request for some data and the request from the antenna goes to the satellite. And from the satellite, the request goes to the satellite network operation center. When the whole retrieval of data takes place on Earth, the information goes from the antenna to the satellite. and from that satellite the information is again sent to the user, and the same is received by the user with the help of antenna. In this picture we may add that the distance between from this satellite, this antenna to the satellite is about 23,000 miles. From here the data goes to the satellite and it has to travel 23,000 miles, and again from the satellite to the user side the data again has to travel 23,000 miles. In all, when a request is made by the user for any type of information to the satellite, the data has to travel about 46,000 miles. It is not that the there is a lot of time lag between the request for information and the supply of information by the satellite network service operation center. The whole of the process of request and the providing of information takes place in the fraction of seconds. We may add here that this satellite transmission is affected by rain, snow, and other precipitation problems. We have discussed all this. You can read about the same. Next, ISDN. ISDN stands for Integrated Services Digital Network. It establishes the connection using the phone lines which carry digital signals. ISDN allows simultaneous voice and data communication. ISDN was a common high-end internet service in the 90s and early 2000s. In the mid 2000s, DSL and cable service began to replace ISDN connections because of the faster speed and lower cost. Now we will like to conclude this course. A computer network is a network which is set up by connecting two or more computers and other supporting hardware devices. A peer-to-peer network is a simple network of computers in which all the computers have the same responsibilities and capabilities. Both all the computers serve as both as a client as well as a server. In the case of client server architecture, it is the architect a computer network in which one computer serves as server while all the other computers serve as clients. A local area network is a computer network which interconnects computers and devices within a limited area such as home or office building. Metropolitan area network is a computer network that connects computers within a metropolitan area such as large city or town. A wide area network is a computer network that connects computers within a large geographical area, which may be a region, a country, or a continent, or even the whole world. A PAN is a network that is used for communicating among computers and computer devices which are in close proximity of around a few meters within a room. World Wide Web refers to all the public websites or web pages that users can access on their local computers and other devices through the internet. And the internet is a global network connecting millions of computers. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.